Chapter 2. Our body can do. Every part of our body is useful. Each part has a function or work to do. With our legs and feet, we can stand, we can walk, we can run, we can kick, we can jump, we can hop, we can balance. Activity on a playground. 1. Try skipping with a skipping rope. 2. Run forwards and walk backwards. 3. Raise your hands above your head and shake them. With our arms and hands, we can hold, we can lift, we can touch, we can write, we can push, we can greet, we can pray. Classroom activity. Perform 2 activities where you have to use both your arms and legs. Can you think of such activities? We can ride bicycle and do skipping with use of both arms and legs. Remember, 1. Every part of our body is useful. 2. Each part has a function or work to do. Exercises. First, answer in one word. Which parts of your body help you? 1. To catch a ball. Answer. Hands. 2. To run. Answer. Legs. 3. To stand. Answer. Legs. 4. To hold a pencil. Answer. Fingers. Second, fill in the missing letters. 1. I have 10 fingers on my hand. 2. I have lots of hair on my head. 3. I can kick the ball with my foot. 4. My legs help me to run fast. Third, things to do. Each finger has a name. Let us see how well you know them. Middle finger, ring finger, thumb, forefinger, little finger. Thumb, forefinger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger. Very good. You know all of them.